Hello, in this video, we will learn how to turn on SMS notifications, and you start at your settings tab. In your account settings, you have a field to enter in your phone number. Once you've added your phone number, you can come to the notification settings. You'll see that your phone number is already here. You can also manage the phone number directly from this page. And here you can enable and disable notifications to your mobile phone number. And once you have them enabled, you can select which ones you want on and off. So we recommend leaving all of them on by default. And this will manage your SMS notifications at a global level, so across all of your services and appointments. And if you want to manage at the service level, then you can you can create when you create a service or edit a service, you'll be able to manage that in the notifications tab here. So let's do a quick test. Test online. And we're going to pick a time. I just want to get you to the notifications section so that you can see. Here we don't need to select anything. And now when you get to notifications, you have the ability to enable or disable email and SMS notifications for this particular service. So you have two options, one at the service level and two directly from the settings section. You can manage it globally there.